Welcome to Trade Rep. This is Short Hammer. It is the 5th of September 2019, and we're taking a peek at BIIB. Now, I had mentioned in the daily prep room that BIIB is down at a level where the buyers stepped in last time, and when we pushed down to these 216s, the buyers did step in, and this was back in March. And they bought us up, and we pushed back through the supply-demand zone and pushed up into the 233 area. Now, the last time we tested the 219, we also bounced and pushed up into the 227 area, pulled back, hold, and legged up into the 230s. On this test, let's see, the first push down into here at the 219 area, we pulled back to 224. Now we're testing the 216 again. So the expectation is that the buyers will step in and push us back into the 224 area. This is purely a technical play, not looking at any fundamentals of the company, what they may have in the pipeline or anything like that. So this is purely a technical play. So what we should watch for is if it rolls through the 216s, I'll keep it tight and I'll look to exit. I really would not hold or trust this to say, hey, they're probably going to pull it back into this area and we're going to buy up out of here. I would just watch. If we make a lower low and we push down through these 216s, I'll be watching the intraday action, and if I don't like what I'm seeing, I'll just exit. That's just me personally. Everyone has a different way of playing levels and entries and exits and different risk management. But for me, if I'm getting in on a technical setup, as long as that technical setup holds, I'll stick with the trade. But the second that technical setup is no longer giving me whatever my thesis was for entry, I'm out and I'll move on to the next play. So just keep an eye on this. If you're going to take this long, you want these buyers to push us up through the 220s quickly, and you want to squeeze into the 224s. So this is, I think, a pretty good setup here. But let's see what we get. I'm not sure about the fundamentals, just from a technical setup, that the last time here, buy up, test, buy up, push down, buy up, push down, not quite a buy up yet, but when we push down here, the buyers are stepping in. Let's see if we see a reversal and a squeeze to the upside.